Right now, I want $1 million US. Even some advice of the real artist progress I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real artist represent.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's gamer here with another reaction. Woo! And today, guys, we are Shenseea, yeah, man, Shengen Queen with Puni Police. So for those of you who don't know what Puni means pussy, pum pum, and punani. Pum pum police, Puni police, pussy police, punani police. Let's go. Let's hear what she has said. Let's go. High speed chase. Oh, pull over.
Give me some room to breathe. I just need some space from you. It's not supposed to feel like this with someone new.
So the boss pull her over. Just for handcuff her blood clot.
Yeah, the boy, no give you space on him. No set you free, then you better believe him. Puni police. If him go cut a key, put a track up on your VIX, then you better believe him. Puni police.
Shenseea, then catch you. Wait. Then catch you. Remember, I used to give him a hit and run, you know. And you're going to take him serious. You're going to take your one boy serious now. Because the hit and run and you come back. You take him serious now. And now he attach. And now him a police, him a go handcuff your ass to the bedded. Now him a put in police. Murder.
Give me some room to breathe.
Man toxic though.
Need some space.
The G toxic though. The G pull her over. Pan government time. Pan taxpayers time. Him pull her over. Just for watch her pussy. You're toxic, my G. Yeah.
From you.
You're toxic.
It's not supposed to feel like this with someone new.
Genius, big up.
Yeah, the boy, no give you space on him. No set you free, then you better believe him. Puni police. If him go cut a key, put a track up on your VIX, then you better believe him. Puni police. Run when you see Puni police. Hide when you see Puni police. Me say, he make me feel like say me is a thief. Cause me, they are a run from a Puni police. First things first, me buy me phone and I it you want search.
You're wrong, my G. You're wrong. Once you do that, you're wrong. Once you do that, you're wrong. You can't go. First, rule number one, don't go in a woman's handbag, brother. Never you go into a woman's handbag. Second of all, not go in her phone. What you doing there? Anything you find in there, your heart are gonna leap. Can your heart take the leap? You might get a heart attack and get weak. Heart, leap, heart attack, weak. Blood clot, what's your rhyme? Yeah. Ladies, don't make a man tell us because your pussy good, make him a cheat you, so and him a keep track by you. No! He's fucking toxic and insecure, ladies. No make no man water down with them bumbleclad insecurities. Ladies, spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe. Big up, let's start.
Give me some room to breathe.
Jay, big up yourself.
I just need some space
Steven,
from
big up.
It's not supposed to feel like this with someone new. Yeah, the boy, no give you space on him. No set you free, then you better believe him.
Puni police.
If him go cut a key, put a track up on your VIX, then you better believe him.
Puni police.
Run when you see Puni police.
Run.
Hide when you see Puni police. Me say, he make me feel like say me is a police.
I want to go time back a while ago.
Hide when you see Puni police. Me
I want to go. Wait, no man, catch a shot there.
run when you see Puni police. Hide when you see Puni police.
Shenseea, I walk with our pleasure, with our wand. Yes, with our wand. Yes. So, The G go take out the one. Look at him look on the one like him jealous of the one. My youth. My youth.
Me say, he make me feel like say me is a
take out
thief. They are run from a Puni police. Me say,
how are this? How are this, Shenseea? Shenseea, what is in your bag? Shenseea, what is in your bag? Shenseea, what is in your bag? What is in your bag? What is in your blood clot bag? That may I ask you. What is in your bag? What is in your bag?
Run when you see Puni police. Hide when you see Puni police. Me say, he make me feel like say.
Hold on, the man. We are going to do a comparison right now. We are going to do my investigation right now. Me are going to do my investigation right blood clot now. Hold on a second there, guys. Hold on a second there. Hold on. Let me look on something. Look on blood clot something. Yo, people, this is what Shenseea had in her bag. This is what Shenseea had in her bag. I'm going to show you what Shenseea have in her bag. Look. Look to blood clot. Don't look. Right there. That's what Shenseea have in her bag. Shenseea, what you do with butt plug in your bag? Shenseea, what you do with butt plug in your blood clot bag? Shenseea, what you do with butt plug in your bag, Shenseea? Shenseea, what you see there? See there? See there? I'm not telling you like Shenseea, what you do with butt plug in your bag, mama? No, sir. Shenseea.
Make me feel like say me is a thief. Cause me, they are run from a Puni police. First things first, me buy me phone and I eat you want search. When you want sir, you gotta get your heart hurt. Location, ear tagging on my purse. Blouse and skirt, how you reach on me work. Hot gal enough for everybody, my youth. Comment on my picture, them a that I'm at you. You're too insecure, so you lose. That's why I'ma need you to.
The boss, they are run a full investigation on Shenseea. He might have all the planning board, plan out everything. Hot girl enough for everybody, cause when them post picture and other man comment, it gonna mash up your heavens.
You're too insecure, so you lose. That's why I'ma need you to. Give me some room to breathe. I just need some space from you.
Guys, listen to me. If I'm wrong about Shenseea having the butt plug in her bag, let me know what it is in the comment section, ladies. Let me know what it is in the comment section, because that look like a body plug to me.
I just need some space from you. It's not supposed to feel.
And I put a track up on the car. We are smelling one for. On to the body, man.
Like this with someone.
We are smelling. Shenseea, I want to say something frenzy. How are the blood clot this? Hold on, man. There's so much hidden. I wonder how much other reactioners and reviewers are gonna pick up this.
It's not supposed to feel like this with someone new.
Yo, nasty boy.
Now give your space and him, now set you free, then you better believe.
Big up, Steven.
Puni police. If him go cut a key, put a track up on your VIX, then you better believe him. Puni police. Run when you see Puni police. Hide when you see Puni police. Me say, he make me feel like say me is a thief. Cause me, they are run from a Puni police. Imagine
I'll force it again, girl.
how you gone. True me tell you, cuff me up, you take it literal. You not sleep, you not sit. You can't stop me from cheat if me want cheat. So Mr. Watch your pumps, you watch me every move. Your PP, clock, bloody attitude. Make me feel like I want run away. I feel every you and post mail one day. Give me some room to breathe. I just need some space from you. It's not supposed to feel like this with someone new.
Chuck already.
Now set you free, then you better believe him. Puni police. If him go cut a key, put a track up on your VIX, then you better believe him. Puni police. Run when you see Puni police. Hide when you see Puni police. Me say he make me feel like say me is a thief. They are around from a
Give one
Puni
middle
police.
finger. blood clot. Give me a finger again, Shenseea. What are the man?
Set free, then you better believe him, Puni police. If
Yeah, make a finger on them blood clot.
on your beaks, then you better believe him, Puni police. Run when you see Puni police. Hide when you see
What you
Puni
doing?
police. Me say, it make me feel like
Miggle.
is a thief for me. They are run from Puni police.
Yo, alright. People like that toxic as fuck. Shenseea, people like that toxic as fuck. Like ladies, people like that toxic as fuck. If you're not careful, then man will give a gunshot. He's a man of the law. He's a man of the law. He have a legal firearm walking with it every day. He will give a gunshot. Be careful of them man there. Ladies, be careful of them man there. Now, Shenseea, the one in your bag, alright, cool. What is the other thing in your bag? Clarify for me, what is it? If a lady in the comment section thought I got it wrong, please let me know what is it. Cause me know say that a blood clot butt plug. Yes. Me know say that a butt plug. Me watch Blue movie and see them something there. Me know say that a Yo, it's too early. Shenseea, big up yourself though, mama. Steven, big up yourself. Yeah, Jay, big up yourself. Nice film. Nice video. Why the man smell the one at the end though? Shenseea, why him smell the one at the end? Wagwan, what am I tell you say? What is he telling us? What is he telling us right there? Why him smell the one at the end? I don't know. No. I don't know. Anyway, we gone with my mix-up self. Let me know what you guys think about it. Puni Police by Shenseea. Up top, me gone. Peace.
Right now, I want $1 million US. I'm a man vice of the real artist because I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The man this and the bad this. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real artist represent.